Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to monitor your hard disk health on Windows 11. For that, I will use two methods. First one is built-in settings app and next one is command prompt. So let me begin without any delay with first one method, settings app. So first of all, right click on this one, start button, and here select settings. In the settings window, you need to select system in the left side, and on the right, click on this one, storage. Now scroll down and find advanced storage settings and click on it. This will expand and a lot of menus will appear. Here, click on this one, disk and volumes. Now here you will find all connected hard disk SSD on your PC at this screen. Here you need to click on properties button beside your hard disk entry. Now scroll down and here you will find all the details including your device, I mean hard disk health. You can find it here. Here I can see estimated remaining life is 99%. That means there is no issue with our hard disk. If it falls below 10%, then I have to take backup and replace the hard disk. Talking about the second method, that is command prompt. For that, click on this one, the start button, and type cmd. Then right click on this one, command prompt tab, and select here run as administrator, or you can also click this one option, run as administrator, after selecting command prompt in the left side. If Windows prompts, click on the yes button to allow opening command prompt window. Now you can see command prompt as an administrator has opened. Here you need to enter WMIC. WMIC. You can find all these commands in this video description also, so you can refer in case you forget it. After typing WMIC, press enter on the keyboard. Now you need to type disk drive a space get a space a status, and then press enter on the keyboard. As you can see, my hard disk status is okay. In case it shows here pred fail, PREDFAIL, pred fail, that means I have to immediately take backup and replace my hard disk because it is going to dead in few days. Thanks for watching this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe, and if you are an old customer and you find this video helpful, kindly press thumbs up button and even share with your friends. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye.